Hello, welcome to Imagine Read Books. Today I'm going to go through some slides. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go through some slides, and since the flood happened, I'm going to maybe have a couple flood-related things. So, I would all like you to call your parent over to watch this video if you're going to watch it. So, first thing is reading rules stuff. Reading rules / stuff. Reading help post money for schools and kids, because some schools lost a bunch of stuff, and so did kids. Like some people lost their houses, and some of them had kids in them, and they lost their books, and they like to read. So I would like you to donate some money to us, and we will pay the money to the Childhood Bank. Okay. Our next one. Okay. So, this is an example of the flood. Some places were wiped out, and they couldn't do anything anymore. So, that's how that worked. So, it's sad, but some places got wiped out from the flood. Sorry if you look, my cat is banging on that door. I don't know if you can see that. There's my cat. He's trying to get out. So, yeah, if you hear him trying to open the door. Now the next is Save Animal Cares. So, save the world. Go to World Wildlife Funds. Donate to help Animal Cares. So, you want to help the Animal Cares because look at this poor guy, look at this poor guy, look at this poor guy. So we're going to talk about polar bears for a sec. So the polar bears, since there's so much heat here, the ice melts and it makes less area for the polar bears to live on. And people come and fix that. But since the flood, all the water was washed up and deleted the ice. So they had to make something work. So please donate to Animal Cares. Here is here's what you'll type in on your phone, and please donate some money. Okay, now this is the kind of weird part. You see, over here, there's a little red. It's just because of that triangle. It's just because of that triangle. Okay, so read learning. So read learning. So learning to read, of course. So chapter books. Here's a little bookcase. And then read on Epic. So you're going to text in Epic. And it's going to be okay. You know what? I'm going to put in the code right now. Okay. So just put in this code. UTRD98. That's what you're going to use, okay? That's what I want y'all to use. Oh my god! I'm sorry about that. Did that pause anything? No. Okay. So, yeah. your child can be good. Oh my God. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. So your child could be good, meh, or completely bad at reading, like they can't read at all. So I would like y'all to download Epic, and I will start sending some books to y'all. Okay? Okay, so this is our final slot. Life is good. So here we have a couple elements: fire, duck, and waterfall. So these are all little separate cute ideas that I just came up with. I think they're really cute for like some nice decorations for this thing. So we have fire, duck, and this. So I can hide my screen. I don't think y'all can see that now. And then I can get back to the screen. So that's why I hid my screen for a second. And then you couldn't see me. I think. I really don't know. So all you gotta do is get in touch with me. Post a video if you can. If you want to, we will help you with any reading disabilities that your child has. So all you really want to do is really get in touch with your child and try and make them read a book and see what your child's your child's skill is, and think, are they good, meh, or are they completely bad at it? So all I want you to do is I want you to test your child, and I want to see how your child behaves and all that. So I can widen this. I'm gonna widen it. Here, give me a sec. Oh God, no, don't want to do that. Give me one. Okay, and so once you've done that, once you watch this video, please go into Epic. I'm gonna log on to Epic right now and send a couple of books. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.